Anyway, a little short video. It's kind of showing you what to expect if you walk into the Flamingo Hotel and Casino after visiting the Link Promenade. There is a buffet, but it's only open for like breakfast and lunch, I think, which is odd. Anyway, continue down this way. Obviously, the Flamingo is one of the most famous hotels on the Strip, being generally thought of as the original Vegas mega resort some 70-odd years ago. It still has over 4,000 rooms. Room rates are very reasonable here, so always seems to draw a crowd. Look out at the area where they have the birds, including actual flamingos. So we'll see if we can spot some actual flamingos. Perhaps we'll walk out here briefly. We can walk out here, so let's walk out and see if we can spot some actual flamingos for you. I like this area. It's very relaxing. And guess what? Those are actual flamingos. Very nice. We've got a hotel tower here. And you kind of walk along here. I think there's some other birds or wildlife that you can look at. There's a lovely duck. Who doesn't love a nice duck this time of day? I like mine seared. And then some turtle. You can see where we just came from. The high roller. And it's really very nice along here. It's kind of adjacent to the pool, but it's not really connected to the pool directly. So we've got some more ducks. Whoa, that's a big thing. I don't know. That's a red-crested pochard. He's a big bird, although not the big bird. Although you can probably spot big bird somewhere on the Strip because everyone dresses up as weird sorts of things. And there's a nice little fountain area with some unreal flamingos. So probably a nice place to stop this video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel.